Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to kick someone off Netflix. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. When someone is using your Netflix account without your consent, you only have one option: to kick them out. To do so, you must change your password and log out of all devices. So open Netflix and sign in. Now tap the three dots at the top right corner and tap Settings. Under Account, tap Account Details. Then, at the right, tap Change Password. Next, enter your current password and create a new password. Also, re-enter the new password to confirm. Now make sure to check the box so that you'll be logged out of all devices and tap Save. So that's how you kick someone off Netflix. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.